Class 13, Advanced Customization with Child Themes. Understanding child themes. What is a child theme? A child theme in WordPress is a theme that inherits the functionality and styling of another theme, called the parent theme. Child themes are the recommended way of modifying an existing theme. They allow you to make changes without affecting the parent theme's files, ensuring that your customizations are preserved when the parent theme is updated. Why use a child theme? Safety: updates to the parent theme won't overwrite your customizations. Organization: keeps custom code separate from the core theme code. Reversibility: easy to revert to the parent theme if needed. Creating and activating a child theme. Step-by-step guide. Create a new folder for your child theme. Navigate to the WordPress themes directory, /wp content/themes. Create a new folder for your child theme. Name it something descriptive, e.g., 2024 child. Create a style.css file. Inside your child theme folder, create a style.css file. Add the following header information to the top of style.css. /*. Theme name: my theme child. Theme URI: http://example.com/my-theme-child. Description: a child theme for my theme. Author: your name. Author URI: http://example.com. Template. Create a functions.php file. In the child theme folder, create a functions.php file. Add the following code to enqueue the parent theme style sheet. php function my_theme_child_enqueue_styles. wp_enqueue_style, parent style, get_template_directory_URI. /style.css. Add _action, wp_enqueue_scripts, my_theme_child_enqueue_styles. Activate the child theme. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance Themes. You should see your child theme listed. Click on Activate. Making advanced customizations without affecting the main theme. Customizing templates. Overwriting parent theme files. Copy the template file you want to modify from the parent theme to the child theme. Keep the same file structure in the child theme. Ensure my theme child is active. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance Themes. Ensure that my theme child is activated. If it's not activated, find it in the list of themes and click Activate. Accessing the site editor. With my theme child active, navigate to Appearance Editor. This will open the site editor specifically for your child theme. Customizing site styles. Open Styles. Go to Appearance Editor. Click on the Styles menu item or the icon next to the block settings sidebar. Edit global styles. Browse and apply different style variations available for your theme. Customize typography, color palettes, and layout for the entire site. Customize individual block appearances globally. Save changes. Click the Save button to apply your changes. Building site layout. Edit header and footer. From the site editor, select Patterns Template Parts Header or Footer. Click the pencil icon to edit the template part. Customize the header/footer using blocks like site title, navigation, etc. Adjust padding, margins, and other styles in the block settings sidebar. Add theme blocks. Use blocks such as the query loop block for post layouts, navigation block for site menus, and site title block for the site title. Add these blocks by clicking the plus block inserter button and searching for the desired block. Managing templates and template parts. Browsing templates. Go to Appearance Editor and select Templates to view available templates. Select a template to edit, such as the Home template. Customize the layout and blocks as needed. Create custom templates. Click Manage All Templates to create new custom templates or edit existing ones. Managing template parts. Go to Appearance Editor and select Patterns to view template parts. Edit or create new template parts like headers and footers. Managing pages. Open pages. Go to the Pages section in the sidebar within the site editor. Edit pages. Select a page to edit its content directly within the site editor. Exporting templates and styles. Export changes. Open the site editor by going to Appearance Editor. Click the three vertical dots icon next to the Style Settings option. Under Tools, select Export to download a zip file of your theme with the updated templates and styles. Useful tools. Command Palette. Open the Command Palette by clicking the search icon or using Cmd+K on Mac or Ctrl+K on Windows. Quickly navigate site content and invoke different actions. List View. Use List View to see and navigate all blocks on the page. Easily select and edit multiple blocks. Block patterns. Insert predefined block patterns by clicking the plus block inserter button. Customize these patterns further as needed. Copy and paste styles. Copy block styles. Click the three-dot menu in any block and select Copy Styles. Paste block styles. Select another block of the same type and use the three-dot menu to select Paste Styles. Apply styles globally. In the block settings sidebar, under the Advanced section, select Apply globally to use the current block style for all blocks of the same type. Resize preview. Adjust the preview size of templates and template parts by resizing the dark gray sidebar handles. By following these detailed steps with my theme child activated, you can effectively use the WordPress site editor to create a fully customized and visually appealing website.